this machine, actually this is the removal tool to remove your existing screen protector, right? It comes with the double side. That one is the removal side, and here is the installation part that can actually remove the bubble. Then of course here is the liquid cleaner and the double-sided top. This is the cradle for the application, right? Those
No.
yeah. So the first step, we will remove the bubble and we will remove the dust, oil from the phone first, right? The other side is to make sure it's clean. Inside the seal envelope, you will see this sticker. Thereby is for the dust removal part. So you can see it's a big piece, right? To make sure there's no dust in there. Then next step, you will see that our screen protector, and then here you will see both the hole to make sure it's in the correct registration pin. We will usually tell customer if in case this is not the new phone that you buy immediately, we will probably check, and if there are some scratches, we will usually inform the customer first. Okay. What phone is that?
This phone?
This phone? Yeah, the installation is done. You just pull it out.
Slow.
Here.
Slow.
Yeah, pull it out. So you see some bubbles right now, right? And then we're going to remove the bubble. Yeah.